In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for digital marketing. If you want to run campaigns, generate leads, and track your marketing performance in one place, this method will help you get started, step by step. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Marketing menu from the top navigation bar. This is where all your digital marketing tools are available. Now start by using the Campaigns or Email Marketing section. You can create a new campaign by clicking Create Campaign. Then add your goal, such as generating leads or promoting a product. After that, you can connect emails, landing pages, and forms to your campaign. Next, go to the Email tool to create marketing emails. Choose a template, customize your content, add images, and include a call to action button. Then select your audience list and schedule or send the email. After that, use the Forms and Landing Pages tools to capture new leads from your website. These tools automatically save all submissions into your CRM so you can track every lead in one place. Finally, go to the Reports or Analytics section to monitor your performance. Here you can see how many people opened your emails, clicked your links, and converted into leads or customers. By combining campaigns, emails, forms, and analytics, you can manage your entire digital marketing strategy inside HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.